Gang, what I'm about to show you, I'm just a messenger here for. Okay, don't hate me. But if you're anything like me, and you've spent way too much time online, probably your entire life, but in the last couple of weeks, there's two things that everyone's talking about in mainstream media. The government shutdown, which is actively the longest in US history, and the withdrawal of COVID subsidies on health insurance premiums. Thankfully, I'm only here to talk about one of them. But if you've received your letter in the mail, everyone's saying like 30% increases. That's just the beginning of it. So I wanted to show some real world examples. I'm just going to get straight into it. I'll start with an example on a 26-year-old male from Florida just by himself. In 2025, they would have started at $277 with a $9,200 out-of-pocket max. Going into 2026, the least expensive option now starts at $380 per month with a $10,600 out-of-pocket max. So let's say you actually wanted a PPO. So any doctor, any hospital, no matter what state you're in, it's usable nationwide. Pause the screen here if you wanted to read them. Starts in 2026 for a 26-year-old male in Tampa, Florida at $760, whereas last year it would have started at $550. So let's say it's you and maybe your spouse, right? Same zip code. 2025, that PPO would start at $1,272. Least expensive option, $691. 2026, you and your spouse will be starting at $880. And the least expensive PPO. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. $1,750 with a $10,000 out-of-pocket max. All right, so let's say you had a couple of kids too, going into 2026. So you had an 18-year-old and a 15-year-old daughter. Oh my gosh. $3,000 is where the PPO start at, with the least expensive starting at a gracious $1,500. Now, for those of you looking at this thinking that this is your only option, it isn't. These increases, not only are they probably once in a lifetime to see with the inflation that we've had, such an increase, but